Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in the Fortress security system. And as you can see here, this is specifically the Fortress security system motion sensor, and it's placed on the inside of a building, and it's used to track or to indicate when there's motion and to trigger the security system. In case you do not know what the system is, it's basically this system here, which is the Fortress SO3 Wi-Fi security system, or also any other similar system. So any Fortress system, you can use this method to change the battery on the inside of this particular sensor. I'll have other tutorials on the window and door sensors, but we're going to go to the main sensor first. What you'll actually need a pair of batteries. It's aside for a minute, and of course I have this, and you'll also need a screwdriver, Phillips, and of course with a head, relatively small head, and that's about it. Also guys, the battery was finished. When the battery is finished on the Fortress motion sensor, the light will constantly blink red. You'll also get a notification on your phone that it's off or it's not working, and of course after a while it will go totally dead. This one is totally dead. The first thing to do guys, let's go straight into it, is just turn off the sensor. Since we're going to work on the inside, it's now in off mode, and of course as you can see here, there's a single screw at the back here. So what you're going to do is to use your screwdriver to remove this screw. So just go ahead and remove the screw. It should be quite easy. Alright guys, so the screw has been removed. So it was simple as just screwing it out. So here you go. This is the screw, quite small. Please keep this in a safe place as you do not want to lose it. I'll just place my screw right over here where it can be found without being lost. And of course, once the main screw is removed, what we're going to do is going to place your fingers between here, and of course try to lift the entire thing. Be careful, it should separate quite easily. Alright guys, so this is what inside looks like. But as to the sensor here, they seems to use AAA batteries, so we can just go ahead and remove these. So these are AAAs. Let me just verify. Alright, these are alkaline batteries, and if I check out here, it's, yes, size is the AAA batteries. So this actually ends up using AAA batteries. I should have some lying around the house, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out. The types that they have here is called, let's see, this is new leader or whatever that is. So this is the one that comes with the sensor. It uses two. Alright guys, so of course, as I said, you're going to switch these batteries out. Luckily I had some Amazon rechargeables around the house, and these are from Amazon Basics, and these are batteries that are basically rechargeable. And I like rechargeable batteries. As you can see, it's rechargeable because I can keep using these over and over without basically using these throwaway ones. These are a better life, and they're more affordable. And of course, they cost a fraction of what these do in the long run. Of course, you can pick this up on Amazon as well, along with any other type batteries that you need, like A23. All right, so we're gonna go ahead right now. We're gonna put these in. Remember, these are AAA batteries. We're gonna put in the AAA batteries. So I'm just gonna slide this in. I'm gonna skip this out. All right, next I'm gonna slide this one out. Alright, I'm just going to make sure that these are set correctly. Alright, there we go. And what I'm going to do is just slide on the cover once more. And this is a quick change. It only takes about a minute or two once you know what you're doing. There we go. Alright, the entire thing basically closed. To test, I'm just going to turn this back on. There we go. Let's see. Sensor is working fine, and that's about it guys. So once the sensor is working fine, I'm just going to place this screw back in, and I'm going to screw this back up. Once you screw it back up, that's it. You can basically place this back on the stand, and of course, as you see, the sensor is working just perfectly. So I'm just going to screw this back up, and once I'm finished, that's it. Alright guys, so we have fitted this back up. The sensor is working fine now. I have the sensor right over here. So as you can see here, the Fortress is back up, fully set up, and all it does is take a few minutes to just change out the batteries. Alright guys, we could have gone from Black Tech Tips. Next I'm going to show you in a separate video how to actually install the battery in the other windows and door sensors. Alright guys, we could have gone from Black Tech Tips and bye until next time. Bye.